going for Bytedance interview questions. So this is for data engineering. Those who are practicing for, this is my blog, so you can go through here. So Bytedance have 3 rounds, mostly 3, and last one is the first one, and second is senior engineer round, and third is the hiring manager round. So in this round, today I'm going to talk about SQL questions for data engineering. There may be the Python questions, so you need to talk. So the next my coming lecture I can go for the Python. So let's talk about today's SQL. So this is process, you can go it. So I have note down here, and I'm going to basic. Write a SQL query, the second highest salary from. So this is a common interview questions, and it's very simple. So we can go here. Is the second highest salary. So I created employee table. Is the, so this one salary is the, if you see here, the second highest salary is this one 10, or we can, so this is the first and second highest, so we can find that in. So let's talk about this one. We can use, there are various methods. So the first one is salary, and then employee name. I'm talking about employee name, then I'm using the row number by salary, order by. So usually in the row number we use order by salary, and here as row number. So let's see the what's the value we have. So actually the problem here is by default is giving ascending order, so you need to change it to descending order. So now the problem is two same salary is giving different rank. So we use row rank. There is a function called rank. I think that one will work. Rank. So rank don't have rank number. We can talk about like this, but still it is given. So there is one more function called dense rank. DENSC. So dense rank also giving government to the second highest salary is this one. So we can select the second highest salary where row num or whatever is this one, we need to give alias and then number 2, so we can go it. But there is another method which we can do using the max function, using subquery or like of select start from employee where, so we are going second highest salary only, right, not employee name. So the max and the max of salary. So this salary came here where salary is less than max salary, right? So here also we need to write. So this is a way we can do, but this is not good method, but usually people can do some, I see that some people do like this, but I think this one we need to give some ideas. Let's see. So I eliminate the second highest salary and then we did, right? It's the same. It's also 2000, this is also 2000, but here is a more convenient way because you can find all information whichever you want, right? You can find employee name, department name, if you have in a table. So this is how we need to do. So now next we talk about, yeah, this is what they did. So the write a SQL, count the number of occurrence of word in call the text column in the word. So let's go the next. I haven't created text table, but I can see some other table. Let's check similar customer table. No, let's talk about some customer table. If I have duplicate records, customer key, customer ID, customer, this one another customer doc, employee I have every first check, yeah, every customer. So every, let me talk about every. So anyway, I don't have data, but let's talk about the employee using employee. This is just a count of word. So table is word. So here is employee name, and here is the name. The similar to the table, we just counting. So there is a function called count, and you can use star and group by and use the name. So this will basically, it will be 111 because only one employee doesn't have duplicates, but in the word we might have the duplicate, so we can count. This is a similar problem. I think they did like this one. The second, I write a query to top most frequency of a words. So the most top frequency, if you want, so you can use order by. So there is a keyword called order by, and DEC. Then you can do top, something like that. Here top 10. It doesn't support top. Then you use they're called limit. So here I want top 1 limit, then you can use limit and decrease. You see the top cell is the bread. So here we doesn't have a count, but in a word table they have count, and then you can find the top. So this is the very simple interview questions. And the write a SQL query, find a salary, employee, department. So based on the department, want to find the average salary. So I haven't added a department, but I mean, so one table might have one employee have two employee have same department, so average will be like let's say employee salary 100 and another is 100. So in that case we need to divide by 2. So there is a function called average. We can use like employee. If I have a column called department, we can use like that department ID, DPT number, comma average. We can use average, or you can use sum of salary and divide by count of distinct department, something like that. Distinct DPT number. It's up to you. Or you can directly use average function. We have average function. So similarly we can do this way, and write a SQL, find the employee who has been not assigned any department. So department ID is a null. We can check. This is simple. Bytedance the interview question is very simple for the SQL. And write a SQL to calculate the total sales per month. So we need to convert the sales details in a month, and then need to find the sum. So it's a SQL do like that. Write a SQL, find a customer who made at least 2 purchases in the last 30 days. So last 30 days, you need to use the interval 30 days and customer ID, and at least 2 means having count. You can use the count. Write a query, calculate commutative sum. So commutative sums also you can use. This is very important question. So what they do, they did some order by. Order date is Q2, order date is Q1 less than, and then commutative sum will be like that. Order dates and this one. But you can use some cumulative functions. There is also cumulative functions. So thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel.